Hey guys, what's up? It's All the Cars here again. Today I'm really pissed. I broke this right here. Cracked it right there and right there trying to get this in. Because I got a new input wire here for it. It works really well. But yeah, I'm pretty pissed about that, so I sort of duct tape bombed it and it looks like absolute crap now. I'm gonna have to get a new one. I don't want to do that at all. I'm super broke right now. I really don't know what I'm going to do about this. I hope I can fix it. I'll go for a drive around the block too. For now, I'm just going to finish putting this back together, take it for a small run, and only got a couple more bolts left. I'm going to take it around the block. If I get this back in. I wanted to duct tape bomb it that color, but I didn't want it to look that terrible. Since I broke it, it does. I don't know, I might go back and try and redo it some other time when it's not terrible out like it is now. 2 more screws and then I'm pretty much done with this though, which I can't wait. This is taking way longer than it should have, just trying to put one stupid wire in. Then we'll test it out and see how it works. If it works alright, I'll be really happy. If it doesn't, oh well, it's not a huge deal. Okay, that's gonna sit there. Where's that other bolt? It's around here somewhere. Always losing bolts. There we go. That's tight. Okay. So I'm gonna try there we go. I think I got it now. Hook this up and see how well it works. Just take it around the block for a minute. If my old stupid phone will load. Stupid piece of crap. Well, at least my radio is working alright, not folding up and ripping off all the duct tape, because that thing's literally in 2 pieces right now. And with it in 2 pieces like that, I really cannot do anything about it. Just gonna take it around the block real quick. I'm hearing some weird noise when I'm shifting. I need to change the transmission fluid in this thing. well, that was a nice little drive, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully this thing doesn't break anymore, because I'm sick of that. See you in the next video. If you like it, then like it, and if you want to subscribe, then please subscribe. Thank you.